అకేషన్ ఏదైనా లొకేషన్ ఎక్కడైనా తెలుగువారి వేడుక అంటే ఆలివ్ మిఠాయి ఉండాల్సిందే.
Narayan Garu to please come forward and share his insights on urban transformation and infrastructure development in Visakhapatnam. Welcome, sir.
Respected Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Honorable Ministers, Senior Officers from Niti Aayog and Government of India, esteemed officials, industry leaders and delegates, good evening to all of you. It is a moment of immense pride for every citizen of Andhra Pradesh to gather here in Visakhapatnam, the jewel of East Coast, for the launch of this visionary report on developing the Visakhapatnam economic region as a global economic hub. Under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Andhra Pradesh has embarked upon the historic mission of Swarnandhra Vision 2047, a mission that seeks not only economic growth but also inclusive prosperity, sustainable urbanization, and world-class governance. Today, this region contributes nearly 30% of Andhra Pradesh gross state domestic product, with a robust 52 billion economy across 9 districts from Srikakulam to East Godavari. By 2029, we aim to accelerate towards the vision target of becoming a 125 to 135 billion economy, generating over 2 million new jobs and attracting around 100 to 150 billion investments. By 2047, we want Visakhapatnam economic region to be counted among the world's leading financial centers with a size of 750 to 800 billion dollars economy and comparable to Singapore, Tokyo, Melbourne. Visakhapatnam is on way to become India's most livable coastal global city. In this direction, we are developing 15 master plan clusters, industrial cities, service hubs, and mixed-use townships. 6 to 7 lakh new housing units, ensuring affordability and dignity for every family, and 100% slum-free Visakhapatnam through integrated redevelopment and inclusive housing. Urban mobility will be redefined through the 77-kilometer metro integrated with roads, rail, and logistic corridors, making travel seamless and efficient and sustainability. Our vision for this region is one of the green growth and intelligent governance. We are targeting 50% renewable energy use by 2029, introducing 4,000 electrical and CNG buses and establishing waste to energy and compressed biogas plants. Every liter of water, every unit of waste, and every kilometer of road will be managed with scientific precision. Visakhapatnam will stand as a model of sustainable and strong urban development. Through GIS-based master planning and real-time digital dashboards and data-driven monitoring, we will make governance transparent, accountable, and citizen-focused. To deliver this ambitious vision, our Honorable Chief Minister has proposed a unified Visakhapatnam Economic Region Authority chaired by himself, beginning together all critical agencies, VMRDA, GVMC, industries, tourism, and infrastructure under one coordinate mechanism. The MUD department will soon roll out new policies for cluster redevelopment, land value capture, sustainable housing, and urban infrastructure finance, ensuring that every rupee invested multiplies into long-term urban value and inclusive growth. These reforms will strengthen our institutions, accelerate approvals, and boost investors' confidence for the region's global positioning. The journey has already begun with projects like Green Hydrogen Hub at Pudimaka, the Life Sciences and Pharmaceutical Parks, the Google AI and Data Center campus, and the International Health Center near the upcoming airport. Visakhapatnam region is becoming a magnet for investment, innovation, and global partnership. I thank the Planning Department, the Visakhapatnam Metropolitan Region Development Authority, and Neeti Aayog for their support in preparing this report and economic plan. Under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, let us together make Visakhapatnam Economic Region a flagship of a development of Andhra Pradesh and a developed India by 2047. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for extending your views on the upgradation of Visakhapatnam